Good day. Welcome to Broken News Updates with me, Mukombo Nenjanjanja. Cats and dogs are having fun in our streets amid lockdown. 2 cats were found chasing 7 pit bulls down the drain. Cats and dogs are valued high in UK, and for that reason, we want to talk to one of the cat owner in UK.
Cats are very important in our lives. They chase rats, they eat dogs, they chase away dogs, they do a lot of things. Like my little kitty here, it's very important to own cat because cats are very.
Thank you. Back at home, Corona update. People are adhering to what the president has said to stay locked down. And for that matter, we're going to go to our correspondent, Mfowethu Warufuno Nenjanjanja in Flipnell Park. Mfowethu Ṋetshivhale, do you see any person in the street?
No.
Do you see any police in the street?
Yes.
Okay, so tell us about Corona.
If you touch your mouth, you get cholera. If you touch your face, you get cholera. If you touch your eyes, you get cholera. If you touch your ears, you get cholera.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. That was Mfowethu Nenjanjanja. Thank you. And that was the update for today. And stay put for more updates. Thank you.